our main vision is to empower product design in the community. So what we do is that we try to put people first and come up with some creative product designs which will actually solve the user's problem.
A good analogy of product design would be what architecture is to building a building. Product design is to building a product. A product is not exact, it can be an industrial product which is physical, it can also be a software product. So there's no limitation there. Some of the projects that we had last year were a drone, an afforestation drone called Gaia. So our problem statement was to reforest a forest and the barren lands that we have, and different types of soils need different types of seeds, and we wanted a drone which can autonomously go ahead and plant in these places, basically increase the forest cover. So it was a very successful project. We're also continuing it this year. And another project that we had was the heads-up display project. So it's a pretty interesting project. The problem aims to reduce the number of road traffics out there. So often they have to look at their mobile phones, they have to navigate, find the directions, and then they have to do this while they're driving sometimes because of the time crunch that they're facing. So the way we wanted to solve this was we wanted to come up with a display which could be mountable on your helmets, through which you can see the direction without obstructing your view. So you wouldn't have to look away from the road when you can still look forward. We were able to come up with MVP for it, and we're trying to go ahead and see how productizable it is.
There's something special about the ecosystem in IIT Madras. So even when I go home and when I come to institute, that's just totally different. Like, people work here, but we don't realize it. We discuss stuff, and sometimes the stuff is just revolutionary ideas, but it just happens on its own. I think it's based because of the people we are around, and that is one of the sole reasons why C5 thrives. Currently, we are a group of individuals who really want to make a product which has a really good impact in the society. In the sense, I identify this problem that many of the products that are in the market is, trying to find a problem which it can solve. But in the real, what we believe is that we need to work on a problem, try to solve it. It's just a simple concept, but still it's really relevant, and that's what we are trying to do.